how would you describe your FinQuest 2025 experience in one word?
Amazing! Visionary!
Adventure! Life-changing!
Awesome! Thrilling!
We are Vidas. Empowering!
Pia makes investing simple and engaging, offering a personalized, social, and gamified experience that makes building wealth exciting and sustainable.
BPI Max is your all-in-one comp partner with maximizing your future. Beyond its futuristic AI avatar, it actually makes investing less hassle and convenient.
All of us are go-getters. We dream, we set goals, and we seize every opportunity. InvestiSense is our answer. It transforms everyday digital spending into the first step into investing.
The Gig Investors Guild is a movement and a platform where technology and community works hand in hand in making investing just like another freelancing gig.
An e-wallet mini app that builds these consistent habits. So let's get this with. Let's streak it till we make it.
Let us start the change. Bring opportunities for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, one coin at a time with BPI Change.
Your Budget Buddy. It is a gamified mobile app that transforms financial learning into an interactive experience.
FinQuest is not just an event. It's a launchpad, official kickoff to Wealth Wellness Month 2025. This is our annual celebration dedicated to empowering Filipinos to take control of their financial journey.
We're so excited to have all of you here, taking the initiative to challenge yourselves, learn, and explore new things first thing in the morning of a Saturday.
So whether you're here in person face-to-face with us or tuning virtually, we're thrilled to have you celebrate this milestone with us.
Firstly, we wanted to really join to know more about the financial industry and know how us Gen Zs can contribute to financial literacy programs. What inspired us is really the lack of investment programs for Gen Zs. We want to invest, but we do not know where to start, especially since majority of us are students or growing professionals.
Your feed is powerful, no? So use it not just to consume, but also to connect, to create, and to change lives.
Try to get an internship, and if you are in one, before you graduate, try to get another one. So all the things you learn there, you'll definitely apply it if you go corporate or if you go business. Kasi ikaw mismo yung natututo ng real world experience.
Ano ba talaga yung drive ko? And then that's what's going to help you forge your path. Pick the one that best resonates with who you are and who you want to be.
Learn or master Excel. It will be one of your ballast din sa internship nyo sa work. Learn and master Microsoft Excel.
FinQuest exists to empower a new generation that will step up confidently into your futures. Only you guys can determine your future.
Don't wait for the perfect time. The right time to own your future is now. So, welcome to FinQuest. Welcome to the beginning of something bigger than yourself.
Together, let's continue to own the future. I hope you do it with BPI because at BPI, we really are about banking excellence, anchored on trust, and the best digital offerings.